Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Conrad ke sangma hakasngi Balang ulaya Kren bat ke President joka Indian Olympic Association ka PT Usha lyngba ka video conference ban pynsngew ya ka jingthrang joka Jylla ban Ioh Pynlong ya ka National Games House na marhajar arpo nyew. Ryngkat ka jingdon lang nongialam ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association Myntri Rangbah ula pyntip ru ya katei ka NEHU jong ka Ioh ba ka Jylla kelalong ka balapan khreh ban pdiang ya ka 39th National Games hadien snem.
Stake our claim to host the next National Games, the Kren National Games, which should happen in 2027. I first request our Honourable Chief Minister to make a few introductory comments.
Very keen to do this in Meghalaya. We are pushing all aspects from infrastructure to all other related issues that are there to ensure that we are ready. In the last few years, we have invested hugely in sports. And a large amount of investments have been made. Meghalaya Games now are being held on an annual basis. So there is a very strong push towards overall sports in our state. And we really need your blessings to make this happen. And I assure you that this will be something that the association will not regret, and we will give all that we have to make this happen. So
we have a very good working relationship with the MSOA and all the sports associations. We have spent a lot of money on sports infrastructure in the last 5 years under the guidance and leadership of our Honourable Chief Minister, and we are making a lot of effort to promote sport and use it to engage our youth. Next, we are partnering with the associations, and infrastructure especially has been a huge focus. And the recently held Durand Cup was also a huge success. Now we have the infrastructure. Next. So basically, in terms of infrastructure, we are ready. We have probably 4 years ago we were not ready, but today most of our things are done or they will be completed by 25 end. Next. To host, as we discussed before, also the 39 national games which will happen in 27, and for us early 27 is the best time from the perspective of weather and from the perspective of our readiness. And various other things. So I'll stop here and I'll request our Honourable Chief Minister.
It's because Northeast, of course, has a very strong love for sports, and many sports persons are coming up in this region, and an event like this would really motivate them and push them, and we will be able to see the impact of that in the years to come. So the opportunity to really push the overall scene of sports can happen with this one games. It's not just about Meghalaya, but it's really about the Northeast as a whole. It's the last games were held in 2007, 2008, so that's almost about 18 years back. And we would be really happy to host this because, as I said, it would be not just an opportunity to host a game like this, but it is more importantly a chance to the sports persons, especially from the Northeast, and it will be a great motivation for them, and as I said, a great opportunity for us. So we really look forward, and we really would like to once again appeal to you as a government to give us an opportunity to host this prestigious event.
Basically, the chairperson of the Indian Olympic Association, Madam PT Usha, had joined us in the video conferencing today, where we have requested the Indian Olympic Association to allow or to give the mandate to Meghalaya to host the next National Games. The next National Games will be 2 years later, that's 2027, and right now it's going on in Uttarakhand. And we have appealed to her and to the entire association that we would like to host the next National Games. And that is what the meeting was about. As you're aware that the necessary paperwork was done in 2018. But since then many things have happened. There was COVID, other games did not happen in other locations, so on and so forth. So the process got delayed. There are a few states who are there before us who have also applied, and we've requested that if we can be given a preference above over the other states who have applied, because of the fact that we are ready and we would like to have it in 2027. So Madam has has listened to our request. She expressed certain concerns and issues that were there, not from Meghalaya's point of view, but from their point of view, that the procedures have to be followed. And she has suggested me to obviously approach Government of India also in the entire process. And so that is a discussion. I don't think I can go beyond that right now, but that is the crux of the purpose of the video conferencing that we had with Madam PT Usha today.
Thank you so much.
No, don't go. Please ask.